Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the AI benchmark test comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Realme X1 Max device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to compare between these both phones, Snapdragon 870 chipset versus MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset. So by using this AI benchmark, most of the time the benchmarks will be slightly better on the MediaTek processors when compared with the Snapdragon. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video, how much difference it can be there. So let's open the AI benchmark application. This is the exact benchmark application which I'm going to demonstrate between both phones side by side. Let's start the test without wasting any time. So let's start 1, 2, 1, 3. So both phones right now the benchmark is about to run and this will take some time. So there will be different stages, up to close to 14 different stages will be there between these both phones. You'll be able to see the sections how it's going on between these both phones in terms of the recognizing and everything. So I'm gonna be back after a couple of minutes just to let you know what is the scores happening between these both phones. And in the bottom you will be able to see the performance, how the both phones are doing in terms of recognizing. The Realme X1 Max seems to be slightly doing better. We try to look at the bottom milliseconds latency. So I'm gonna be back after some time just to show you what is happening with the results and everything. So during this time the temperature will not increase because this is just a basic application. So it will not increase any kind of temperature. So I'm gonna be back after some time. So finally friends, we got the benchmark results in the Realme GT Neo 2, which has got about 98.1 results in the Realme GT Neo 2. And in the Realme X1 Max, still the results, the processing is going on the benchmark test. Let's see friends how much score we can actually expect in the Realme X1 Max device. So using the same AI benchmark application. So as I said, the slightly always it will be better on the MediaTek Dimensity processors. So that's what I did observe in my previous testing and demonstration comparing with plenty of other phones. There's only one thing which I did see. Dimensity processors, they always secure like slightly more points than the Snapdragon processors. So now you'll be able to see it what is happening as well in front of the camera, what is going on. And 136.9 we got the score in the Realme X1 Max comparing with the Realme GT Neo 2 using the AI benchmarks, as you can see. So try to look at the scores, how much the accuracy, 84.2% accuracy and 54.7%, and accuracy is 90.3 and 97.7. You can look at the scores if you want all the details. If you want, you can pause this video and you can take a look. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick comparison between both phones regarding the AI benchmark scores. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.